Hello guys, today we received a request for testing from our customer. This is a micro valve component and it is made of the aluminum alloy 6061 and the cover is still made of the aluminum alloy 4047. And it is required to finish the laser hermetic sealing welding and have an inspect for the surface of the welding seam. We still place the sample in an inert gas, water and oxygen-free glovebox environment for welding. Okay, now the test is finished. We can put the sample under the microscope. You can see the welding seam effect. The welding seam is so flat, smooth, and without any defects such as the pores and the cracks. Okay, now the test is finished. If you guys are interested in this video or if you have some same problem or some project about the welding issue, please kindly click the like button and leave your comment here. Thank you.